Oh, midget gem, lovely. I'm joking. Although I probably have done that before in the past, but... Oh, whoops. Oh my god! So much fun! So weird.
Yeah, lads.
Good morning, everybody. We have a very interesting... Oh my god, that's bright. Wow, let me turn that aperture down. It's a little bit better. Right, so we have an interesting one today. First of all, are you even evil owner if you've not got a Mitsubishi jacket? Yes, like Gary sent me a Mitsubishi jacket. Actually, funny enough, I've got the paperwork here. Keep up the good work, Lee. Fuck the haters. Cheers, Dan. PS, give our Instagram, give our garage Instagram shout out. F and demo. Okay, there you go, lads. But yeah, man, I'm gonna rock up to the car, it's my Evo jacket. Everyone like, what does he own? I'm like, what? Evo, lads. Thing is, ever since I bought the Evo, I've never really liked the driver's seat, right? Now, let me show you why, and I'm going to tell you why it's a double whammy. The first thing is, it's an absolute mess in here. Xavier actually outed me on her Instagram by saying how dirty it was, so thanks Xavier, it is really dirty, I've just not cleaned it, so not had time. As you know, we are going to be tracking this very soon, so we're going to need as much tightness, and the driver's seat has seen better days. Now, not so long ago, I actually went in the passenger seat because someone was driving my car, and I sat in the passenger seat, and it's so much more huggy, like so much more. It's like a bucket seat should feel. These bolsters are just, yeah, they're not in very good shape, to be fair. Now, I obviously went straight to the Evo page and I said, is it possible to change around the passenger and the driver's seat by just changing the rails over? It was 50-50. Some people said they've done it, some people said they tried to do it and they couldn't do it. But I've looked. Now the main issue would just be the seat belts, but I've looked and they look like they're actually attached to the rails, not the actual seat themselves. And surely the Recaros are not going to make a different one for passenger and driver. Surely they're going to be the same. What we're going to do is we're going to take out both seats. So we're going to get out both Recaros, we're going to take them off. See if we can change over the passenger side to the driver's side, because the driver's side is absolutely knackered. So we're going to see if we can move this seat to that side and that side to this seat. So dirty in here, so while we do that, while we've got the seats out, we're going to clean underneath the seats and basically just give the car a bit of a clean. We've got two 14 mils on the bottom. Oh, they're not even tight. We've got one here. I'm actually so intrigued to see how well, I'm not intrigued to see, I'm actually so offended and worried to see how dirty it is underneath these seats. Like, I've not cleaned this car inside for a good like 3 months. So I really need one of them little impact driver things. Like, another ball there. Should be one, hopefully, accessible by a bolt. Wait, why is there no bolt down there? This is very confusing. Oh, don't tell me it's underneath the centre console. Right, it looks like 2 bolts underneath centre console. Gonna take off everything. Oh, my keys just get that out. You didn't see that, guys. Oh, wrappers. Oh god. Oh, wrappers. Yeah, wrappers. Yeah, just get them out. Oh, yeah. And then there's 2 bolts down there. I think it just pulls up then. I think, but I've got some American guy on YouTube which has done this before, so I'll follow him. But I think it's just 2 first bolts down there. We're gonna lift that off, and then we can get the rest of the 2 bolts. Right, this should just pull off now. Just like that. Oh, okay. Oh, there's a wire. Oh, there's a wire. Right. Oh, whoops, sorry. Sorry, everybody, I didn't mean that. Look how dirty everything is. Definitely get the Hoover out soon. Right, the 2 bolts there. Ah, yes. 1, 2. Okay, she's loose. She's loose and she's rocking. Is there any wires? Yes, there is 1 wire here. Oh, basically a professional. Basically a professional. Look at this amp. Well, obviously I knew it was there. I'm going to take that amp out because I don't think it actually does anything. Oh, okay, yeah, so it definitely doesn't do anything. 20p, yeah, buddy. Oh, midget gem, lovely. I'm joking. Although I probably have done that before in the past, but... Oh, whoops. Oh, another Mackey's thing, yeah, okay. Right, the second seat. Not the strongest Hoover in the world, I'll tell you that much. Very typically, the filter needs cleaning in the Hoover, so I've only managed to do the driver's side. Typical things not working for me when I want them to work. But let's just get what we wanted to do, and let's just do the seats. That's the driver's side, that's the passenger side. Basically we need to swap that rail onto there. Now I've never done anything like this, so I have no idea what I'm doing, so just let me have a look at them, try and, you know, familiarise myself, and then we're back on the camera, boys. Yes, it looks like the only thing attached to the seat is you got one hex bolt there, and then you can pull this, move the rails up, and it looks like we've got 2 more down there. So I'm going to take these 3 hex bolts off either side, and hopefully the whole rail with the seat belt will just come away from the seat, and I can just put that on that side. Right, we've got an issue, guys. The only way I can see to get this seat rail off is by taking off, there's a hex bolt there, obviously one on the same side, and there's 2 down here and 1 on there. It's the only way I can see to get the whole rail off. There's little allikins on top, but all they do is just take these little brackets off. So with the seat, you can actually buy kits for these which actually lower the seat. So for example there, you see a bolt there, that's actually get them lowering seat things, and there's like a Allen key side on there, but that's just to take those little brackets off. To get the whole rail off, the only thing I can see is these hex key bolts here, and all they're doing is just rounding. Every single one's just rounding. There's no way of getting them off. I've put it on the evolution page, but it's just not looking good, guys. This is the only way I can see to get these rails off, and every single one of them just rounding. They're just too tight for Allen key bolts. It annoys me when manufacturers do this. Yeah, them bolts were not designed to come off, and they're not coming off. Every single one of them is just rounding. It just looks like we're not going to be able to do it. It looks like Mitsubishi, I'm wearing their bloody jacket, and they're doing me over like this. It just looks like Mitsubishi did not want those seats rails to be removed. Look at it now, the mechanism here is really sort of complicated as well, so that's being an absolute pain in the ass to change over. So what it looks like I'm going to be doing, guys, is it just looks like I'm going to just be buying an aftermarket bucket seat. That's what it looks like. Fun times. I hate when things don't go to plan, but what can you do? If the evolution page don't even know, then there's nothing you can do if they don't know. They're absolute geniuses. What can you do when Mitsubishi wants to use bolts made of paper mache? There's not much you can do about it, unfortunately. Okay, so just to solidify how hard these rails are to get off, the comments on the evolution page, I'll just read this one out. I ended up cutting them out with an angle grinder. I didn't need the rails, I only needed the seats though. I know I could probably sit here for all day whacking in a big Torx and getting them out, but it's really not worth the effort in my eyes. I've just tried literally whacking in one Torx bolt. It took me about 15 minutes and I've still not got it out. So I'd literally be here all day whacking in a bigger Torx bolt to a stupid bolt, and it's just really not worth it when I can just get some new seats. I'm probably going to do that anyway. Right, so since we've put the wheels on, I've not actually had the car cleaned in a very long time, and since we've failed, he's done it again! He says it's here, but he's not here! He needs to stop doing that! Well, since we've not had the car cleaned in so long, we're going to go. Jesse's actually coming. I don't know if he's coming in my car or if he's going to follow me up. We're going to go to Waxing Away. We're going to get the cars cleaned, and we're going to do some cool stuff with Waxing Away. And also, while we're there, we're going to go and pick up something of the company, which I've been meant to pick up something off them for a very long time, but I've just been so ill that I've not had time. But I'm just waiting for him. I think I can hear him. I think this is him. What wheels has he got on now? I forgot. You want to come in the Evo? Alright, best park over the road then. Look at this man with the professional shit.
Hey, I'm moving up.
Moving up now,
That's taller than me, that's how far I'm moving.
Is it?
Yeah.
Lad, watch the bike.
What's with that?
It's fucking well hard to drive.
Is that part of the Evo life?
It's that twin plate I put in, isn't it? Whose is this? Oh, there's 2 of them. Oh, these what you were talking about. Whose are they? Whose? Mine? Oh, cheers, lad. Where's the keys?
And that's Bucky Malone's.
Are we going out now or what?
Do it.
Quick drive around the block's alright, isn't it? So is this like a bike then? Did you drive it like a bike?
License, car.
Car? Is it? Is this your clutch?
No gears. 300cc.
Oh, it's got no gears? Oh man, let me have a go.
front brake, that's your back brake.
Are we in gear there?
Yeah. But the turning circle on it's crap. It's alright, go on. It's gone into gear. Careful. That is cool. That. Crazy, isn't it?
Fucking hell, it's mad. Look who's trying to start that one.
Alright. Stop. I don't think I really got it. I don't think that I can get over all of my problems. I've been thinking who the fuck am I to disagree? I heard I'm pretty dope, so I guess I gotta oblige inside. I've been plotting on the way that we could elevate. I massacre the track with your skill, I never hesitate. I put a lot of time into the craft to make it resonate. I regulate with repetition, I could be the greatest. But ever me illogical, the other have elated. Practice all the patience that I got in my attendant mind. I minimize the ignorance, so in a minute I make it relatable. Evade the negativity at all costs. Trying to find my way, I'm feeling so lost. Find me in the zone, I gotta focus. But that can be an issue, I'm addicted to the work. It's all I ever wanna do, pursue the purpose that I'm pleading for and need more than pity. Many minuscule opinions picking apart the immaculate, happily apathetic and actually authentic. The sentence is sentimental, like the words are just a piece of my soul. I transcend it to the artist that I wanna be. I demonstrate my dominance and derelict with dialect. My etiquette is excellence. I dedicate my all to this. I solemnly swear it. I serenade with selections of different cadences to kill it. Really invested in this, and anyone that wants the truth that we present to be identified. I live a meager life. I'm motivated by progression. Cause a year ago nobody paid attention to the getting. I'm persistent with the effort. Document my declaration. Dedicated to the devil. Me definitely concerned that I prefer to be a parent. I purchase on the.
Right, she's clean for the first time in a long time. She's quick detail as well. Sure, yeah, let's get some cinematic.
Was in a lucid dream, I used to be infatuated, now it's just reality. I'm managing my temperament, my time to capitalize is infinite. The wisdom I'm attaining from trial and effort is priceless. I promise I won't put in the music before my sanity. Saying you will lullaby with alliteration and empathy. The lack of recognition is starting to fuel my energy. You know you made it when you're receiving hate from an enemy. Your relative was never enough. He's a synopsis, said I'm knocking out whoever you can.
It's so good here, like every time we come, they have such good tunes on, don't they, Jesse?
I said that in mine, I said you come here, you've got the tunes, but
man, it's so good for cinematics because like you've got a tune in your background, so you're like,
you get into it,
doing it to the longer the beat, man, it's sick. Bring the clip back empty. What tune this is? Get the vinyl and then fucking get the artwork. Slippy in here, innit? Bloody hell. Oh, look at the bloody halos, they're mad. Yeah. Cool, isn't it? Yeah, go on. Yeah, go on. Watch him crash it here. Oh, he's a good boy.
You are, aren't you? You're great.
Big one.
He'd have given you a right rollicking when he was in his prime. Calming down there.
Oh.
Wicked guard though, still.
So much better clean, but yeah, it's gonna be. It's not gonna last very long, is it?
No.
Not gonna last very long whatsoever. We got some mad gram pics though, didn't we, lads? Yeah. Absolutely mad gram pics. Found a new filter on the iPhone, and it's like the best thing in the world. So the last time we're gonna see the clean Evo, it's gonna be dirty by the time we get home, innit? Yeah. Shit, man.
Them good Warrington roads.
Some good Warrington roads. Right, see you soon, lads.